Here we present the 5 best Nespresso machine. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Nespresso ENV135GY Coffee and Espresso Machine. Our favorite in the Virtuo series is the Evoluo. It clocks in at a similar price point to the other Virtuo options but offers more bang for your buck. The item heats up the fastest, at just 15 to 20 seconds, and it holds up to 17 used Nespresso capsules before it's time to clean it out. Its 54-ounce water reservoir is slightly smaller than the Virtuo Plus Deluxe, 57.5 ounces. 2 options in the series, the Virtuo and the Vero Plus. The Evoluo can brew 5 different cup sizes, starting at an espresso shot and ranging to an alto-sized cup of joe. An automatic shut-off after 9 minutes saves energy. Number 2. Breville BNV220TTN1BUC1 Nespresso Machine. Compact and eco-friendly, this machine brews the drip-style coffee that defines Virtuo line products, and it adds some new twists along the way. The Virtuo Next is one of the slimmest Nespresso machines available, yet it has a fairly sizable water tank, 37 ounces, that can be removed for easy filling and cleaning. The device even connects to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, a new feature that allows it to continuously run updates and offer the best user experience. What really sets Virtuo Next apart is that it is made from 54% recycled material, according to Nespresso. Number 3. Nespresso Inissia Espresso Maker with Aeroccino Milk. The Nespresso Inissia is a Nespresso machine produced by DeLonghi. It measures 4.7 x 12.6 by 9 inches and weighs 5.29 pounds. It is constructed mainly of plastic. This model features a 24 ounces tank, making it capable of holding enough water to make up to 9 espressos. It has a folding drip tray that allows you to use larger sized cups. The Inissia is capable of pouring 2 sizes of drinks, espresso or lungo. You can choose between the two with a simple-to-use one-touch operating system. This machine brews at 19 bars of pressure, allowing it to produce barista-quality espressos. It has a very fast warm-up time of only 25 seconds. Number 4. Nespresso Essenza Mini Original Espresso Machine. Small but mighty, this compact espresso maker won't be hard to find room for, even in a small kitchen. Not much wider than a coffee mug. The water reservoir is behind the machine rather than taking up space on the side, so it will fit into a slim space with ease. Despite the small footprint, this still produces 19 bars of pressure for the perfect espresso. This doesn't have the multiple adjustments that larger machines offer, but that also makes it very simple to operate. The water comes to the temperature in 25 seconds and an energy-saving mode automatically switches off the machine after 9 minutes. Number 5. Wacaco Minipresso NS Nespresso Machine. Great for travelers who want their morning coffee before they leave the hotel room, or for folks who like the idea of a bit of espresso at work without leaving the office. This little device doesn't need electricity to work. All you need is hot water, your Nespresso capsules, or coffee grounds, and just a little bit of effort. There's a semi-automatic piston inside that injects small amounts of water into the grounds with each press, until it reaches the correct extraction pressure. For more versatility at home, original capsules, and compatibles. It's also more convenient, mess-free, and easier to clean after use.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.